Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Oats are an extraordinary food. Besides being a super nutritious cereal, they have several health benefits. In addition to being rich in proteins and carbohydrates, oats contain a large amount of fiber. This fiber, in addition to improving digestion and intestinal health, contributes to long-term weight loss. The regular consumption of fiber provides several health benefits, such as maintaining a feeling of fullness, avoiding binge eating, aiding bowel movements, decreasing levels of total and LDL cholesterol, decreasing blood sugar, reducing the risk of heart disease. In addition to these factors, oats contain many antioxidants that prevent aging. They're also a source of manganese, a mineral that helps in the formation of collagen, which helps maintain the structure of your skin, hair and nails. We usually eat mixed oats in recipes such as pancakes, oatmeal or even juices and shakes. In today's video we're going to teach you a practical way to obtain oats benefits through oatmeal. Oatmeal supplies us with important vitamins and minerals. It's ideal for weight loss because when we eat it, we're satisfied and eat less the rest of the day. Another ingredient in the recipe is cinnamon, which improves insulin sensitivity, sugar utilization, digestion and contributes to cholesterol reduction. This recipe is simple to prepare and its ingredients are very easy to find. Ingredients: 1 cup of oats, 1 liter of water, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, a little natural sweetener of your choice or honey optional. Instructions: soak the oats in the water to soften them. Then stir them together with the remaining ingredients. Mix well and transfer to a glass jar. It's recommended to divide this portion and eat it 3 times during the day. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.